Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from How Logical. In this video, we will be showing you how to log out of your Google Classroom account. If you use Google Classroom across multiple devices, then it is necessary that you log out when your work is done in order to secure your account. First of all, go into the web browser and then type in classroom.google.com and press enter. This will take you into your Google Classroom homepage. Now all you need to do in order to log out of your account is click on your account icon at the top right corner. Now just click on Sign Out. While you have been signed out, you can still see your email address on the list of Google accounts. To remove this, click on Remove an Account and then click on the minus icon at the right hand side of your Google account. Now you will be asked whether you would like to remove your account. Click on Yes, Remove, and your account will be removed. To sign into your account once again, click on Use another account, and then use your email address and your password to sign in. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.